How to fix login issues when using HMA Pro VPN Android app. If you are experiencing troubles with logging into your HMA app, there are a few things you can try yourself. First thing you can do is to deactivate HMA from your Android device. Now, if this doesn't help, we recommend that you follow every step below. Remove HMA app from your Android device, go to settings and choose apps. When in apps, choose HMA VPN, tap on install and confirm by tapping on OK. After you have installed it, restart your Android device. Scroll down and find Google Play Store and Google Play Services and tap storage in both, as shown below, then you can clear data and clear cache. Go to Google Play Store and download and install our app once again. If you need to reset your password, you can do it within our app. On the start screen of our app, simply tap Forgot Password, which will redirect you to https://my.hidemyes.com. This should help resolve your issue with logging into HMA VPN Android app.